At the time when we purchased the Zünd, I didn't really recognize how many challenges that we were faced with until we bought the Zünd, and it just made life so much easier.
With Zünd here, having the ability to nest, cut, and sew everything in one building has given us the ability to do things faster than many of our competitors. Our production process from release of the order in manufacturing to shipping is 3.5 days. Most companies that I know of in the United States is usually 10 days. We have done pieces of furniture in less than 8 hours. If we didn't have equipment like Zünd in-house, we wouldn't be able to do that.
You may get a job pre-Zünd that might have been 50 sheets of material because of the yield loss. But now with the Zünd and the size of the sheet that we're able to run, it may be only 35 sheets. We're saving 15 sheets of material. That's 15 less sheets we have to print. That's 15 less sheets that we have to pull from inventory, and things like that add up. And so when you get pieces of equipment in here that help you with not only your quality, your lead times, but ones that are versatile, but also can fit your processes, it'll help you reduce the material that you use, which in return will help you with the environment. It'll also save you and your customers significant financial aspects as well.
We're gonna minimize the square footage that we're using today by almost 50%. So square footage is money, right? And also it's gonna allow us the ability to utilize leather more than we're using it today. Leather is a big part of our cost. So if we get a 1% of utilization of leather gain, that's significant savings on our bottom line. So it was space, it's people, it's utilization, and it's also reliable technology, which is sometimes really hard to get.